friends. I got a new one today. Swaddy Kab. What's your name?
My name is Picky.
Pinky. Pinky?
Yes.
Pinky?
Yes.
Hey. You Thai, you Isan?
I'm from Isan.
Isan! Hey!
You
Hola!
can speak Isan.
You know, you speak Isan?
Yes, a lot.
You dance Isan?
Yes.
Caddy of the day, you know that we vibing. Over 100 courses over out here in Thailand. Ay, so many fatties, it's hard not to notice. Swinging my iron, but I'm trying, I keep losing focus. Yo, hit the green, let's play, yeah. You already know it's Caddy of the day, yeah. Hey, Richie Mac, do it major. Big boss player, Caddy of the day, yeah. Let's go.
Okay, so we have some questions for you because you're beautiful, you got pretty brown skin,
Thank you.
you know how to pose, good shape, good personality, you speak English. Why no boyfriend?
I don't know. I just waiting for someone.
Oh, you waiting for someone? Ah. I'm doing a show called Golf Date. When you go on a golf date and you meet a nice falang and you go on a golf date. Will you do that? Will you go on a golf date? Meet someone nice?
I never go out with golfer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We're gonna fix all of that.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Caddy of the Day. Today we feature Pinky, a young, vigorous, beautiful caddy who is obviously fit, feminine, friendly, and Pinky speaks very good English. Make sure to like, subscribe, and set your notifications to all because the subscriber celebration is coming up July 20th till August 1st. And one of you lucky gentlemen attending the event will have the opportunity to go on a golf date with Pinky.
Take me on a golf day.
Hey, golf day, you heard it, y'all. This is one of the people that you will be going with on a golf date. One of you lucky fellas will get to meet this beautiful brown, sweet, smart, speak English, pretty lips, nice teeth, speak English, no kids. What more can you ask for? Welcome, there you go. Tell them to come in, say come in.
Come in.
So this is a dark caddy right here. See what I'm saying? She got that brown color you like. Most people out here, a lot of people, they like this kind of color, but they like dark. What do you think of your dark color?
I think my dark skin is sexy and beautiful
Hey.
in the world
Hey, that's what I'm talking about.
and very popular.
Yeah, we love it. Watch my subscribers. They're going to write in and say,
I think when you go in the sun bow, it's not hot because they have more protection from the bow color.
yeah, we call it melanin.
Yeah, melanin.
I got melanin. Oh yeah. I got melanin.
That's what you got.
Yeah, and for me, I like tan skin.
They like tan skin too. Watch the
because
brother.
everybody get white skin in Asia. Yeah.
But you got that pretty brown skin.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
Every shape, size, and color. Speaking of color, this non-melanated caddy has an hourglass figure
Yes, that pole
and
right
the
here.
friendly demeanor.
Oh, wait a minute. Put it on out there then. Show them what you're working with. She has no stomach, like zero stomach, like nothing here, but all that here. That's what we like.
That is what we like. Thailand has something for everybody.
Are you single?
I'm single.
Hey, you date Falang or Thai?
I prefer foreigner.
Oh, really? Uh-oh, I know what that means. You had baby with Thai man, now you don't like Thai man.
I didn't have baby. And
You don't have baby?
I wanted to get it.
Oh, you 22.
Yeah.
No babies? But you cover your face, they can't see your pretty face. Oh, right there. That's what I'm talking about. Hey.
Caddy of the day, you know that we vibing. Over 100 courses over out here in Thailand. Ay, so many fatties, it's hard not to notice. Swinging my iron, but I'm trying, I keep losing focus. Yo, hit the green, let's play, yeah. You already know it's Caddy of the day, yeah. Hey, Richie Mac, do it major. Big boss player, Caddy of the day, yeah. Let's go.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Hey. One of the events of the subscriber party is the golf excursion. I'm not talking about golf date. That's different. I'm talking about a stay out with the travel OG to see firsthand how I get down and how much fun it is to play with these caddies. But I got to give you guys a heads up. Some people are super intense and super serious about their golf. If that's you, this probably won't be your thing. This is more about being waited on hand and foot at the golf course, which is an experience within itself. When we go out, it's an event. We're having fun, we're filming the shenanigans, we're making new friends, and we're making an unforgettable experience. Check out ZoomExcursions.com and pick up your limited package before they're all gone. It's my caddy of the day, you understand me? Fit, feminine, friendly, cooperative. Can't be any better than that. This first year, we're trying to keep it tight and right, pause. Depending on the weather, we're going to have events for every day you're here. Dinner party, massages, nightclubs, restaurants, island party, personal excursions, and a private celebration dinner. But wait, there's more! If you can't stay for the entire 12 months or you want to extend your trip, ZoomExcursions.com can personalize your trip for you. Patreon members get a discount and special privileges. All my friends and family and subscribers are invited to the subscriber party private dinner. We're doing events in Bangkok, Pattaya, Jomtien, and the island of Koh Long. Full disclaimer, the airline tickets are getting up there, so book your flight ASAP. But before you book your flight, choose your package and take advantage of the free consultation in your package with the Travel OG.
Okay, so I lined up and I do like I always do. Close my eyes and pray.
I can't wait to meet you guys in Thailand for the subscriber party, July 20th to August 1st. We have family packages, buddy packages, balling on the budget packages for the ones who will spare no expense to get their first class service. We have the balling out of control executive package. Go to ZoomExcursions.com. Consultations are included in the package so we can chop it up before you get here. July 20th is less than a month away. Don't wait till the last minute to come out here and see for yourself what the hype is all about. If Thailand is on your bucket list, now's the time to grab that passport, choose your excursion, book a flight, and see what paradise feels like. Look at this. She thinks she's fat. Bring that to America. She thinks she's fat. You guys don't understand out here, man. It's like, it's insane. There's so many to choose from. And all you have to do is be a good person. And they'll like you. You don't matter if you're fat, short, tall, anything, man. They like you for who you are because you're a good person. That's all they care about. That's what makes this place so cool. So you have a caddy like this one. She take good care of him. Beautiful.
Yeah.
A caddy like mine. She takes care of me. It's like, come on, man. I can't make this up. I've been here too long for y'all to say I'm capping. I can't make this up. This is really happening. Really my life. Caddy of the day. You dig? I really look forward to meeting each and every one of you. If you want to go on a golf date, make sure to email me at zoomtothailand@gmail.com and type golf date in the subject matter. Also, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button. Put the notifications to all because you never know when we might do a pop-up in the middle of Thailand. You dig?
The wind is too strong.
The wind is too strong?
Yeah,
You
so
look better
by
without the
now,
hat.
go.
You look better without that pose without the hat. Let me
I
get this.
look better?
Yeah.
Yeah. My hair?
Hey, that's what we like. Let me see. Do it like this. Do it like. Hey. That's what we like. Shy.
That look beautiful.
Shy.
Without hat.
Yeah, without hat. You're way prettier without the hat. I'm going to let the people write in and say she pretty without the hat. You dig? Uh-oh, wait a minute. Throw it back. Throw it back. You are so beautiful without that hat.
Without the hat.
Yeah, you don't need that hat. You don't need that hat. You working this. So
Yeah.
you single, right?
Yes,
Nope.
I'm very single.
No boyfriend?
No boyfriend.
No kids?
No kids. No married. But I have family.
You got to take care of
I have father and mother only.
that. Oh, you're only child.
I'm the only one